Hello guys, Mike is here from Mike's Online Business Sites. Only recently I have posted some message on Facebook saying that the 2139 exchange is a scam, and I got a comment from a person saying that the similar one is Kuex. So what is Kuex? Is Kuex a scam? I just started to do a little research and I came to the conclusion that the Kuex is pretty much the same thing as the 2139 exchange. When we take a look at the website of the 2139.com or .one, it's exactly the same thing as the Kuex.vip. And the pattern is the same when it comes to the Kuex.vip, meaning they do use different domain extensions like .com, .pro, .one. Some of them still work, the others just don't work or are flagged as malicious. If we take a look at the Kuex.vip, that's the one that works. Kuex.one, I have been redirected to my internet provider saying that the website is malicious or blacklisted. So by looking at the still working domain extensions, that means Kuex.vip, we see that this is supposed to be exchange platform where apparently you can make 2% daily. Some crazy claims that they make in order to lure you in, so you will invest in this Ponzi scheme. But the truth is that the only money that are being made are the money coming from newcomers, meaning from new investors. And by checking the red flags, it's the same thing as with the 2139 exchange platform. If you wanted to get in touch with them, you have to provide your email address. But as you see, I did ask them a question several hours ago, and so far no feedback. That's the same thing with the 2139.com or .one. Whoever is behind the platform, they just don't respond. We don't know who is behind these platforms. I also wrote an email to this address, support@kuex.vip, kuex.vip, and as you can see, there is only my email. There is no feedback whatsoever. And by looking at the TrustPilot, we see that the Kuex.com, very poor ratings. It even says high risk investments. This guy says he's now using some other platform, so that's not really trustworthy. This guy says a scam, fraudsters, scam. How about the others? Kuex.pro. This has a little bit better rating. It's only one review, so it's not trustworthy. It's just not enough information. By looking at the domain registration date, Kuex.vip was registered in June 2023. That is still considered as a new platform. Remember, when it comes to the exchange platforms promising you 2 to 3% return on investment daily, be careful and make sure that the platform has been around for at least 3 years. The rule of thumb is that the platforms that turn out to be Ponzi schemes, they don't last more than 2 years. So by checking the registration date, you can reduce the probability of being scammed. As we have seen with the 2139 exchange, for example, their platform was registered in 2023. As we see by now, that's October 2024, the platform has been already flagged. It doesn't work anymore. Still no response from that Kuex.vip, so the bottom line is that stay away from the Kuex, stay away from the 2139. These just Ponzi schemes, and if you invest your money, you better withdraw it as soon as possible. And please do not promote this platform to others, since promoting a Ponzi scheme might be considered as an illegal. And just out of curiosity, by checking the Google Trends, the Kuex is not as popular as the 2139 exchange was, but we see that the popularity was at a peak in September, both of them, and as we are coming to October, the popularity went down for the very simple reason, since people lost money with these platforms. If someone reaches out to you saying that he has a great business opportunity promising you 2% daily return on investment, be very careful and check for the issues, check for some red flags. What is the date of a domain registration? Is there a way how to contact them? Can you find out who is behind the platform? And if the answer is no, just stay away. Spend a few minutes doing the research regarding the platforms, and always be skeptical when it comes such a promises like making 2% ROI daily. Hopefully you find this helpful, and if you have questions, let me know, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.